Imagine waking up one day, looking at your finances, and realizing you don't have a clear picture of where you stand. Are you truly financially secure, or are you just hoping for the best? Today, I'm not only going to teach you how to calculate your personal net worth and track it, but I'll also show you the 3 best net worth trackers that can make this process seamless. By the end of this video, you'll know how to get a complete view of your finances, track them like a pro, and choose the right tool that fits your needs. Let's get started. Your personal net worth is one of the best indicators of your financial health. It's not just a number, it's your financial report card. And to stay on top of your game, you need the right tools to track it efficiently. I'll be sharing the 3 best net worth trackers later in this video, so stick around. First, we'll go step by step through calculating your net worth and understanding why it matters. Net worth may sound complex, but it's simply the total value of what you own minus what you owe. It's an essential tool for gauging your overall financial health. Knowing how to calculate personal net worth and track it can help you make better financial decisions, whether you're investing, budgeting, or paying down debt. The formula for net worth is straightforward. Net worth equals total assets, total liabilities. Assets are what you own, like cash, investments, real estate, and valuable items. Liabilities are what you owe, including mortgages, car loans, and credit card debt. By subtracting liabilities from assets, you get your net worth. Assets include cash and cash equivalents. This means the money in your bank accounts. Investments. This is the stocks, bonds, and mutual funds you own and your retirement accounts. Real estate. Your home and any investment properties you own. Valuable items. This could be high-value collectibles, jewelry, or art. Each asset should be valued at its current market price for accuracy. Liabilities can range from mortgage loans. This is the outstanding balance on your home loan. Car loans. This is the remaining balance you have on your vehicle loans. Credit card debt. This is your current balance, not just the statement amount. Other debts, for example, personal or student loans. Liabilities decrease your net worth, so include every debt you're responsible for. Once you calculate your net worth, the real power comes from tracking it over time. This helps you spot trends, whether your wealth is growing or you need to take action. The best way to do this? Use a net worth tracking tool. Hey, I hope you're enjoying this video so far and finding the tips helpful. If you've learned something new or feel more confident about your finances, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. It's a simple way to support the channel and ensures you don't miss out on future content that could help you on your financial journey. Also, I create all of this content for free because I'm passionate about making personal finance approachable for everyone. If you'd like to show some extra support, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. Your support helps keep this channel going and means so much to me. Thank you, and now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's look at the best net worth trackers you can start using today. The first tracker on my list is Empower. This is my top pick for tracking your net worth, and it's free. Empower connects to all your accounts, bank, credit cards, investments, retirement, crypto, and even real estate through Zillow. Beyond just tracking your net worth, it offers tools to analyze your finances, like a fee analyzer and retirement planner. Empower is best for those who also want investment management features. It secures your data with AES, 256 encryption, and you can even add assets manually, like artwork or vehicles. It's the most comprehensive tool available. I have added a link to this tool in the description if you want to try them out. Next on the list is Rocket Money. This tool is perfect for those who want an all-in-one financial app. It tracks net worth, budgets, subscriptions, and investments. The mobile app is incredibly user-friendly, and it does a great job categorizing expenses. Rocket Money costs as little as $4 a month for the premium version, but there's also a free version with fewer features. If you're looking for the best net worth tracker with strong budgeting capabilities, Rocket Money is the one. You can find the link to Rocket Money in the description of this video. And number 3 on the list, Kabura. If you just want net worth tracking, Kabura is for you. It links to almost any financial account, including crypto. You can even add assets like real estate through Zillow or vehicles using the VIN. Kabura is a clean, simple tool that focuses on giving you a clear overview of your net worth, although it doesn't have budgeting features. It costs $150 a year, but they offer a $1 trial for 14 days. It's best for those who need straightforward net worth tracking without extras. Click the link in the description if you want a trial of their software. Calculating and tracking your net worth is just the start. To grow it, prioritize paying down high-interest debt, invest wisely, and increase your savings. Each of these strategies will help your net worth trend upward over time. Understanding how to calculate personal net worth and track it is a powerful way to take control of your financial future. With tools like Empower, Rocket Money, and Kabura, tracking your progress has never been easier. Start today, stay consistent, and watch as your financial health improves. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has provided valuable insights to help you take control of your finances. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to check out my playlist on financial planning for more in-depth tips and strategies. And don't miss my latest video for even more practical insights that can help you on your financial journey. Just click on the cards on your screen to continue learning. Your support means the world to me, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more content. See you in the next one.